Hold on. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is my first award ever. And I want to say thank you to this man for helping me take my career to the next level right here. And I got a little speech, so you know. Thank you.
I never dreamed I'd be standing here tonight. One time, Johnny Cash wrote me a letter, and in the letter he said, "It's good to be reminded where all goodness comes from, Almighty God." So first of all, I'd like to thank Almighty God for this moment. I'd like to thank you, the fans. This is your song. You all took this song and made it your own. So thank you, each and every one of you. Ron Perry, Adam Lever, Tish, thank you all so much. God bless you. This is your song. Thank you.